Hello students, how are you all? Welcome back your own class organized by School of Scholar Malkapur. So students, today we are going to see the making shapes using the matchsticks. This activity we are going to conduct. So you can pause the video and you can take the matchsticks if you have, or if you don't have, you can just see afterwards also you can do this activity. What is the activity? In that you have to prepare the shapes. Which shapes? Triangle, rectangle, square and small square and big square. Okay, and let me see, we will try the first triangle. So first we will take the horizontal stick. After that we will join that sticks in this way. Okay, okay, so this is your triangle. Okay, so in that, the where the sticks is, that are the side, how many sides are there? Three. And how many vertex are there? Black the points, that is the vertex. Okay, we'll see the rectangle now. Two horizontal line we will keep, and one vertical, and two horizontal. So in this way we prepare the rectangle. In that, this long side is it called as length, and shorter side it is called as breadth. So two breadth are equal size and two length are equal size, and there are also four vertex. Okay, now third is that square. We'll see the square. So for that square we have to take the four sticks, because square having four sides. Okay, so in this way we will prepare the square. ठीक है, this small square we prepare. If you take the more sticks we can prepare such a square too. So here four sides are equal and four vertices there. See this, where two sides join, that is called as vertex. So based on this activity students, so you can make, write down the in notebook also, you can stick the such a sticks with the Fevicol, and make the activity. Okay, you can make stick this on pages also in activity book. Okay, write down the heading. You can make such a, and write here how many vertex is there, how many sides are there, name of the shape. Okay, so in this way you can prepare the activity. Now based on this activity we have some questions on exercise 8b. So we'll try to solve. I hope it is visible to you. The first question is what? Fill in the blanks. A square has dash side and dash vertex. A square has four side and four vertex. Okay, next question is opposite sides of rectangle are equal. Yes or no? Opposite sides of rectangle are equal. Here you use two sticks, here is also two sticks used. Okay, so like that. A triangle has dash sides and dash vertex. Triangle has three side and three vertex. Okay, a circle has dash vertex. Circle, see, can you make the circle using matchsticks? By using the matchstick, is it possible to make circle? If you make the circle, if you join like this also, so we can't make the circle. We can make what? We get hexagon or something. Circle we can't make. So why? Because it is, circle is made up of curve line. Circle is made up of curve line. In that, straight lines are we can't use. So circle, a circle has dash vertex, zero vertex, or we can write no vertex. Okay, all the sides of square are equal. Square having all sides equal. Okay, question number 2. First, a mad angle chip. A mad angle chip means what? In that advertise you seen that mad angle is triangle, है ना? So it's a triangle. Mad angle means triangle. Okay, that chips is there na. B, carom coin, circle. Okay, cuboid, rectangle. Okay, cuboid like box. Suppose matchbox is there. So the matchbox is having which shape? Cuboid shape, no? If you stress this, So which shape is getting? See, this is matchbox, and if I stress, so which shape I am getting? Tracing means outlining this. It's a rectangle. Yes or no? Like this. So that's why it is rectangle. And cube is having square. You can outline it. You will get the answer. Question number 3. Can you make a triangle using 4 equal mastics? No. Why? Because triangle having 3 sides and 4 mastics having 4 sides. Can you make a rectangle using 4 equal mastics? Rectangle? No. Why no? How many mastics we need to prepare rectangle? 1, 2, these 2 mastics, this 2, this 1 and this 1. Total how many? 4 plus 1 plus 1, 6. And how much mastics is required to prepare square? 4. Because 4 sides are equal. Mastic size are equal. Can you make the square in 4 equal mastic? Yes. We prepared. What least number of mastics do you need to make the rectangle? That is 6. How many? 6. 2 plus 2, 4 and plus these 2, 6. Okay. What least number of mastics you need to make a triangle? 3. 3 mastics is required to prepare a triangle. Okay. Now, count the number of rectangles in each case. Here is how many rectangles are there? 1, 2. Here is 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. And if you have to count more, this is general counting. If you have to count in different way, so we can count in this way. This is complete one, this 2 and this 3. So here is answer, we can write 3 also. So we can cut this. Okay. How many rectangles are here? By looking only, it is your in third, so it's okay 2. By looking only, 2 is there, so 2. Here is 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 9. Next is that solid shapes. We'll see the next diagram, next video, solid shapes. Okay, solid shapes are the shapes, they have the 3D shapes. Solid shapes we called as 3D shapes. So my dear students, today's work is from exercise 8B. You need to write in your notebook. Okay, and try to prepare this activity. Okay, all the best. Stay home, stay safe. Bye.